Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. In one of my classes this morning, we were discussing legislation that's being brought in by various governments around the world. And I mentioned the fact that the government here is planning to try to bring in some legislation that's aimed at phasing out smoking over the next 10 or 15 years. Basically, trying to make smoking illegal in the long run. One of my students asked if this would include vaping, and I confessed that I wasn't completely sure, but I suspected probably not, and that this might be a loophole that they need to close. There was then a brief discussion about whether or not people understood the appeal of vaping and the way in which vaping companies obviously target their products at young teenagers by having like bubblegum and cherry and apple flavours and so on. One of my students then started a sentence by saying, well, none of us are teenagers anymore, so, At this point, I interrupted her and said, speak for yourself. Obviously, this was intended as a joke because, sadly, I'm no longer in my teens. Although, I'd like to think I remain young at heart and a little music and football obsessed part of my brain will forever be 17 or 18. We often use this phrase, speak for yourself, when somebody says something, giving an opinion, that we feel is designed to include us in the statement, and we feel that what they're saying doesn't actually really represent our opinion. It's just representing their own opinion. So, maybe you're talking about a restaurant you visited with some family and friends, and someone in your family says, yeah, none of us like the food in that place. Hey, hold on. Speak for yourself. I thought the food was actually okay. Maybe you come back from a holiday or a weekend away and your partner is telling your neighbour about the weekend saying, oh, it was really boring. We had a terrible time. Speak for yourself, you might reply. I actually really enjoyed myself. You might also be in a situation where you're in a restaurant and the waiter comes round and says, anything to drink for you? And maybe the person or the people that you're dining with might say, no drinks for us, thanks. No wine for us anyway. Whoa, hold on. Speak for yourself. I quite fancy a glass myself, you might respond. And maybe you're in a kind of clearing the air sort of situation at work, and one person is playing the peacemaker and trying to say to an aggrieved party, listen, there's been a misunderstanding. None of us blame you for what happens. You might find yourself muttering under your breath, speak for yourself, which obviously won't clear the air, but might help to get things off your chest a little bit. If you've enjoyed this video, please do share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. Make sure you click the like button. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of when you think you might use speak for yourself.